Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous class, we have seen how to define functions. Okay, in this class now we'll see how to pass data to this function. Okay, so let's say something like I pass name to this function. I want to print something like hello, that name and how are you. Let's say something like hello, John. Okay, and I'm expecting the output should be hello John, how are you? Okay, how can we do that? So first of all, when we are defining the function, we need to mention the expected parameters of this function. So that means for my function we have to have something called name here. Okay, so that means when we are calling this function, so there is one parameter here, so that means we can pass the value here. So now what will happen, right? So whatever the data we pass, that will be mapped to this name variable here. So now this function call will get John as a name. And now if I use, let's print here actually. Okay, print name. Okay, now I will get this value get printed in line number 6 here. So let's stop this one because and run this program. See here we got John and hello, how are you? How? Okay, now let's make this single statement instead of two. So what I will do is I will try to print hello John and how are you. So for that I will just convert this into a f string and I will inject this name inside the string itself. See here. Oops, I lost the curly brace. Okay, now let's remove this print statement and rerun this program.